No.
You gotta be kidding.
If you're not confident in doing it, don't do it.
You know what? I'm confident.
I believe in you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Well, I went from hanging
Are
on
you
my knees
recording
like
this?
a monkey to standing on, which I am not good at, and I might fall and bust my head open.
What?
What did you do?
Oh my gosh. I don't know. After I get off, I'm never doing this ever again. Oh my gosh. Lesson learned. Don't do parkour stunts if you're scared.
Method.
I'm scared.
Methods.
Bro, I'm literally about to pee my pants.
Methods. How's that scary? One time I was hanging
You-
on my knees like a monkey, and it was on
You have no idea what
something that was about to fall.
Bro can't be talking. Do you know how scared I am of heights?
Well, I stopped being scared of heights when I was like 5.
Ethan, somebody's listening to the Bye 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 song from the Deadpool and Wolverine movie.
Dude, I went on a mountain and I'm terrified of heights.
No, it's not that bad. Oh my gosh.
Pee your pants. Pee your pants.
Oh my gosh.
Why are people so? Why are people so like classic these days?
Are you recording his feet?
Him?
Yeah.
He did it like 2 years ago.
Okay, I just didn't know.
Oh no, you're fine.
Look, you did it. You didn't even pee your pants. Good job.
Oh my gosh. How was I not scared to do this 2 years ago? But I'm so terrified now.
Because you're thinking about it.